Oh my god, I don't believe it!
Listen and repeat.
Tell me something good.
I used to say that to my dad.
Tell me something good. I used to say that to my dad.
But if I told you what he said back, you'd think I was insane.
But if I told you what he said back, you'd think I was insane. Insane means crazy or fool. Example, when I was a child, I liked to play football with the boys, and that was actually insane for a girl.
That ship has sailed, Clark.
That ship has sailed, Clark. That ship has sailed. It's an idiom meaning it's too late to do anything about it. Example, I wanted to return the shoes, but that ship has sailed. It's been over a month since I bought them.
When I had a nightmare or something, he used to sing.
When I had a nightmare or something, he used to sing. Nightmare is unpleasant dream or bad dream. Example, after watching the horror movie, she had a terrifying nightmare.
I hope your dad was better.
I hope your dad was better.
I think what you mean to say is, thank you, Miss Clark, for attempting to entertain me.
I think what you mean to say is, thank you, Miss Clark, for attempting to entertain me. Attempting means to try to do something. Example, she attempted to solve the puzzle, but it was too challenging. Entertain means to provide enjoyment for someone. Example, the clown entertained the children at the birthday party.
Okay, Clark. Tell me something else. Something that doesn't involve singing.
Tell me something else. Something that it doesn't involve singing. Involve, to be part of something or to be included. Example, this task involves a lot of paperwork.
Well, when I was little, my mum got me a pair of glittery wellies, and I refused to take them off.
My mom got me a pair of glittery wellies and I refused to take them off. Glittery wellies.
I wore them in bed, in the bath, all summer long.
I wore them in bed, in the bath, all summer long.
My favourite outfit was the glittery boots and my bumblebee tights.
My favorite outfit was the glittery boots and my bumblebee tights. Bumblebee tights.
Bumblebee tights.
Black and yellow stripes.
Bumblebee tights. Black and yellow stripes.
I really liked having stripy legs.
I just really liked having stripy legs.
So what happened to these gorgeous willies and stripy tights?
So what happened to these gorgeous willies and stripy tights? Gorgeous means beautiful. Example, she wore a gorgeous dress at the party.
I outgrew them. It broke my heart.
I outgrew them. It broke my heart.
And they don't make those tights anymore, not for grown women anyway.
And they don't make those tights anymore, not for grown women anyway.
Oh, you can mock. Didn't you ever love anything that much?
Oh, you can mock? Didn't you ever love anything that much? Mock means ridicule or joke. It can also be used to describe something false or fake. Example, the mock diamond looked real.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
But where did you get that?
And this was our journey today. And don't forget to keep learning, keep exploring, and keep speaking English until we meet again. Bye!